Hey beauties! Today we're going to talk about Physicians Formula's Rosé All Night Ultra Rich Restorative Night Cream. Now this is a cream that you would put on your face at night right before you're about to go to sleep. It's super calming, super hydrating, and provides instant deep moisture for a bright youthful glow when you wake up. Now this formula is made with a lot of great ingredients for your skin. It has calming rose water, brightening kakadu plum, and wrinkle-relaxing sea mayweed, which is a natural alternative to fillers. And so to open it, you would just turn the top like this, and inside there's a little lid that you have to pull off, but once you open that, there's this really beautiful pink, it almost looks like whipped cream, and it smells so good. It smells like the lightest, most refreshing scent of roses. It's the best. Okay, so all you need is about a dime-sized amount in order to put it all over your face. It'll cover a lot, trust me. Just take a little amount right there. Warm this up between your fingertips for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then you just press it into your face. This helps lock in the moisture a lot better than just spreading it around. Okay, so there you have it. It's all on my face. It's super lightweight, but I can already feel that hydration in my skin. And I'm all ready for bed. Thanks for watching. Bye.